Hello students. In previous video, I have explained you about the perfect tense, and I hope you all are clear. Now I am going to explain you about the perfect continuous. Perfect continuous tense shows that the action is started by the doer, means subject, in the past and still going on. Remember, perfect continuous tense shows that the particular action is started with subject, means doer, in the past and still continue in the present. Okay, what's the rule? Subject plus has and have, and we use a little word after has and have, that is been, B double E and been, plus fourth form of the verb. Students, perfect continuous, and with continuous tense, and I have told you earlier that continuous tense is also known as progressive tense, and in progressive tense we use always the fourth form, that is the ing form of the verb. Okay, then subject plus has or have according to subject. If the subject is singular, I have to use has. If the subject is plural, I have to use have. Plus being plus fourth form of the verb plus object. Okay. One more thing. Firstly, we will see the example. She has been cooking since morning. Since morning. It shows that since morning she has started to cook the food, and the process of cooking the food is still going on. Okay. One more thing. We use since and for to indicate the times. If the time is indefinite, we will use for, and if the time is definite, then I will use since. Okay. So students, she has been cooking since morning. In negative sentence, we have to put the sign of negative after has or have. It's very easy, students. Whenever the sentence is given in negative sentence, I have to place not after in negative is or, in perfect has a, and same in perfect continuous has or have. We have to use not after has or have. You can see the example here. She has not been cooking since morning. Subject has have plus not plus been plus fourth form of the verb plus object. She has not been cooking. Players. I am going to change the example. I am going to use the plural. Okay. It will more clear to you. They have not been playing object cricket. Number of friends love cricket. They have not been playing cricket. I am written in small words. It's cricket. Okay. If the time is indefinite, for example, for 2 hours. For 2 hours. What is this? This is the indefinite time. Okay. They have not been playing cricket for 2 hours. Okay. Definite and indefinite. With indefinite we use for, and with definite we use since. Because the definite time shows the correct point of time. There are two kinds of time. It's a periodic and point of time. Periodic and point of time. Okay. So here we can see the point of time, but here we can see the periodic of time. Okay. Now with interrogative negative sentence. As I have told, we have to use not after subject. Let's see with interrogative sentence. Has, have before the subject and plus not after subject plus being plus form of the verb plus object. Has Ram not been writing for 2 hours? And with interrogative sentence, I have told you that always use the question mark. Has Ram not been writing for 2 hours? Has Ram. I am going to change the subject into plural. They. Then they will be in the small because I have to write one word before the subject, and that will be in the capital letter. Okay. Have they not been writing for 2 hours? They is the plural subject. That's why I used have. Okay. Writing for 2 hours. Is it clear? Now, last double interrogative. As I told you that before, has means at first I have to write the question words. If the question words are given in the middle, I have to write at first. WH words before has and have, then subject plus not. If the sentence is in negative 2, then I will use not, otherwise we will not. Plus being plus fourth form of the verb plus object. Plus is or for with the period or point of time. If the time is given, otherwise no need. Why has Ram been writing for 2 hours? Ram is the singular subject, that's why I used has, and why the WH word is given in the middle of the sentence, that's why I used at first, means before has. Why has Ram been writing for 2 hours? You can see here. Why has Ram been writing for 2 hours? If the sentence I have to change in negative 2, then what will I do? I have to place the not after subject. Why has Ram not been? Why has Ram not been writing for 2 hours? Okay, students, I hope you are clear with the present continuous tense. In next video, I will explain you about the past tense. Past tense means the action is done in the past. Okay. So in next video, I will explain you, I will tell you about the past tense. Okay, students? Good day.